Penguins by David Salomon. Penguins. It is spring in Antarctica. A mother penguin swims to a snowy island. She spent many months in the ocean. Her winter trip is over. She walks to her nest. It is made of small rocks. Her mate has been waiting for her there. The place where penguins live is called a colony. There are 17 different kinds of penguins. Some live far away in the hot weather. Mother and her mate are chin-strap penguins. She and her mate will try to have chicks. Hee-ha, hee-ha, they sing. It is very hard to raise 2 chicks. Can they do it? Everyone loves penguins. What kind of animal is a penguin? Penguins swim in the sea. Are penguins fish? No, they are birds, but they cannot fly. They do not have wings. Penguins have flippers. They use flippers to dive and swim. Penguins dive to catch their food. They eat fish and krill. Krill are like shrimp. They swim in the ocean. Penguins swallow many of them at once. Penguins walk with 2 short legs. They have chicks on land. After a few weeks, mother lays 2 eggs. Next, father takes soil. He warms the eggs under his body. Mother is hungry. She goes to the ocean with her female friends. They look for krill. About 10 days later, she returns to the nest. Now it is her turn to sit on the eggs. The chicks are growing inside the eggs. They stay in the eggs for 35 days or so. The chicks are ready to hatch. They break open the eggs from inside. They beg for food. Both chicks are under mother. Watch out, a squirrel! The scary bird tries to grab a chick. Does she steal a chick? No, her mother shoos her away. Mother and father take turns watching the chicks for 30 days. One parent always stays with them. The chicks cannot swim. They are growing taller and heavier, but they cannot catch the food they need. Now both parents swim to find them more food. The chicks stay with their friends. Their parents feed them every day. The chicks go fast. Their fluffy down feathers will fall out. Then they will grow feathers like their parents. Today is a big day. The chicks enter the sea. Now they'll find their own food. Mother and father say goodbye to each other for now. They did it. They were able to raise 2 strong chicks. The chicks will swim in the ocean for almost a year. Then they will return to the same colony. See you next year, penguins. The end.